I'm going to show you how to install the Google Translate app so that when students are on a given website, that most of them, most of the websites that they go on, you can translate into almost any language. You might find this useful for your English learners, or other people with second and third languages, or even if you're a language teacher. So to get the Google Translate app, I'm going to show you how to get that, and then for the kids to get it as well. And I'm also going to give you an example of how it works once you install it. So what you can do to start is go to Google, and you type in Google Translate extension. Okay, and then you want to go to this first link here, Google Chrome Web Store. Now, the reason we have to do this, instead of just go to the the Google Chrome Store in our, like the little store in the taskbar here, is because we can't add stuff that way, because the network controls our computers. This is kind of a workaround. So we're going to click Add to Chrome. Of course, you have to be in Chrome, Add Extension. Now it says Google Translate has been added to Chrome. What I like to do is click on the puzzle piece, that's your extensions, and then I like to pin what I need. So I have Cami pinned, and I'm going to pin Google Translate. Now it's installed, so when I go to a page, like this is one that I used earlier, the U.S. Holocaust Memorial Museum. So when I go to this page, what I can do is I can click the extension, and I can click translate this page rather. And then it's going to give me the translate bar here. So you can go to, you go over here to translate, and then I'm not sure, about how accurate every single language is, but I can say that at least in Spanish, this is a pretty good translation, and it will translate the entire text of the page. So you can share this, and I go back to show my original. So you can share this with your students, and with other staff. I would strongly suggest that you get this link here, copy it, and paste it into the chat, or into your Schoology, so students can use this direct link instead of searching themselves for it, because what they'll end up doing is end up going through the store, and it'll say you can't add this extension. So I hope you enjoy that trick, and have a nice day.